In this video, we'll learn about the filters in Microsoft Excel. So click on the data and you can able to see filter and advanced filter. First we'll look into the filter. So here this is I have a data with headers in the first row, and if I click here I can see the filter symbols here. Here if I want to select, I can select all the items or any particular item, or whichever I can select. So to clear the filter, either we can click here or we can click here. So here the filters can be done with using a color. Here in my data I have only yellow color. So if I click on this yellow cell color, so all these records which are formatted yellow are displayed. Another operations we can do here is text filters. So in the text filter we have many options: equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and custom filter. First I am going for the equals. Before going to the equals, I'll clear the filter. Now I am selecting text filter, then equals, and here I am going for the south. So wherever the zone is equals to south, the data will be get filtered. So only south information is available now. Now if I go for does not equals, here if I am giving a something like east, so I'll get all the records except east. I have a south, I have a north, I have a west. So all the records except east are displayed. Then I am moving to the begins with. So begins with, if I take as O, it will show all the records which are beginning with the letters SO. Then we'll move to the text filter, that is ends with. Here I am looking for the zone where the zone name ends with TH. Yeah, here I got south and north. These are the zone names which are ending with TH. Next, contains. Contains means it can be anywhere in the word. Suppose if I am going for EA, yes, so I'll get only east. Or if I go for anything which contains OU, so it need not be in the starting or ending, it can be in the middle also. So I got south because this is the only zone where the word contains OU. Then does not contain. Suppose if I go for OU, so I'll be getting all the other records where OU is not present anywhere in the zone name. Next, custom filter. Custom filter, it can be a combination of the things. Suppose I'm staying begins with SO and I'm taking another filter ends with ST. Here I don't have any zone name which begin with SO and ends with TH. Now if I am going for options, where here I can do the numerical operations also. Since I selected here is a zone related to a text, so I am starting with the begin with SO or ends with ST. So here I got the zone name which begin with SO and the zone name which ends with ST. So here we can go for the combination of the filters criteria. Next we'll move to the advanced filter. Advanced filter, first of all we have two actions: filter the list in same place, filter the list in same place, and copy to another location. Okay, so here the data is automatically selected. The list range is nothing but the data which we want to perform this filter operation. Then criteria range, I am selecting the criteria range, these two, and filter the list in place. If I click that option, so in the same location the data got filtered. Now if I clear, the filter will be get cleared. Next I'll move to the copy to another location. So here I already have a criteria selected and I want to copy this data to another location. I can give the cell reference where this data will be pasted. So I'll expand it so that we can see all the information of the data. So here another option we have here is, if the duplicate records are present, it will show as it is. If you don't want to see the duplicate records, I'm cancelling this, deleting this, and we can avoid the duplicate records also. So intentionally I kept one duplicate record which I have formatted with yellow. So copy to the another location. Here we have a option unique records only. If I select this, yes, here I got only one record which is formatted yellow. Previously I got two records. Now we are looking for only the unique, so we have to select the unique records only. Next I'll move to the multiple criteria. Now advanced, copy to another location, criteria range I am selecting here, zone is equal to south and country is equal to USA, and copy to the location here and unique records only. So here I will get the records where zone is equal to south and country is equals to USA. Next we'll go for advanced filter on numerical values, say sales amount. So Excel will automatically select the list range and copy to another location. Then criteria range, I am taking a sales amount greater than 2500 and copy to the location here. So here it will be displayed all the records whose sales amount is 2500. So one operation on the less than, So select advanced, copy to another location, criteria, here sales amount less than 1500, and copy to the location here. So here I got 1 2 3 4 records. These 4 records where the sales amount is less than 500. Next we'll apply on a date, advanced filter on the date. So advanced filter, copy to the another location, criteria range, I'll be selecting date greater than 29th May 2017 and copy to the location here. So all the dates after 29th May 2017 records will be displayed here. We can paste this records in another worksheet also, or another spreadsheet. Suppose if I want to paste it in another sheet, say sheet 1. So here we have to go for advanced, copy to another location, and the criteria you have selected date greater than 29th May 2017 and copy to the location sheet 1 and here. So it will throw an error. So you can copy only filtered data to the active sheet. So here this is my active sheet. Wherever my cursor is there, that is an active sheet, and sheet 1 is not an active sheet. So I want to paste it here in the sheet 1. So I'll be selecting this as active sheet, then I'll apply the advanced filter here and copy to another location and list. I'll go to the sheet where the data is residing, select the complete data, then select the criteria range. Again I'll be going to the where the criteria range is there. So the criteria range can be in another sheet also, and copy to the location here in the sheet 1. So here I'll get all the records in the new sheet. So we can paste it in the new Excel book, that is new worksheet also. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and look for some more videos on Excel. Thank you.